XMobots is a Brazilian company, and I have been working with drones since 2004, so more than 20 years of experience in this market. We started to work with drones for environment monitoring, Amazon rainforest protection like. So we developed big drones to do mapping, to solve problems like deforestation. In 2015, we start to work in agriculture. Brazil is a big country with a huge agriculture, and we developed several solutions for this kind of market. And in 2019, the Brazilian Army requested that XMobots develop a drone for border surveillance. As we develop all the drone technology like aircraft, hardware, software, navigation, control, everything. We develop everything. We start to work in the defense market. So we deliver the first aircraft to the Brazilian Army in 2022. And we carry out several experimentations and evaluations of the drones. As we understand the defense market, we develop new solutions like Nauru 100. Our company has a high capacity of technology development. We have 300 engineering and more 300 in other departments, so we are 600 employees. We have capacity to develop several drone solutions. And today we are releasing the Nauru 100. Nauru 100 is a 7 kilograms drone that can fly up to 2 hours. But the main benefits of this drone is that this drone is versatile. This drone can do star intelligence surveillance, target acquisition, and reconnaissance missions. And as this drone detects and obtain the coordinates of the target, this drone can send to another drone to do the attack. And one of the main disruptive technology that we are releasing here is the capacity of release bombs with just 2 meters of accuracy up to 120 kilometers without loss the drone. This is not a kamikaze drone, this is not a loiter munition. This is a drone that is like a UCAV, unmanned combat air vehicle, but it's small, low cost, and low radar signature, visual, noise signatures. So basically the drone is stealth. So you can fly up to close to your target, and the drone dives to the target and release the bomb. When the drone is diving, the drone is calculating the wind, temperature, pressure, and all variables that we have to calculate to have a very precise trajectory. So we calculate this in real time, then we release the bomb, and you can achieve the target, strike the target with 2 meters of accuracy with the cost of only 1 bomb. So it's very good for to reduce the cost of drone attacks. Brazilian Army was requesting our company to develop an armored drone since 2022. So we developed the Nauru 1000 with missile, but we understand that missile is expensive, and in some situations you don't need that. So we reinvent the technology and think in the mission. Normally the customer says, I need a lot of ammunition, I need a missile, I need a rocket. They don't say, I want to strike this target with the accuracy of 1-2 meters. So we think different, we focus on the mission, and we develop the solution. And nowadays we will start the test with the Army to certify the accuracy of the system.